Hello everyone, Lenka Katzlova from growwithlenka.com, coming to you from my home office close to Prague in Czech Republic, the middle of Europe. Today I'm helping you with Facebook groups, and I hope you are using this amazing tool to build your business. And I want to show you how to actually pre-qualify people that you are letting in. So stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into the tutorial, don't forget, if you're brand new and you haven't done it yet, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little notification bell button to get notified when new videos are out. We are talking about online businesses, affiliate network marketing, businesses that can be built online, social media, and online communication to help you hit your online breakthrough. And today we're talking Facebook groups and how you can pre-qualify people that you are letting in. The way to do that are Facebook questions that you can put when you click. And let me just now share my screen and let me show you what I mean. When you enter a Facebook group, you click on this join button. At that moment, what happens, pop-up questions come to you and you have to answer them before your request to join the group gets to the admin. This is my Facebook group, growwithlenka.com, where it's some kind of like a central place for my people, because I have a few places, Facebook groups, like Facebook business page, personal page. I have this group, some other ones. Then I have podcasts. I'm using different social media, and everything that is important, I just put it in here. So people have some kind of place, central place where they can find everything. Also, people are free to post their valuable content on here so we can all benefit from what they're sharing. So definitely, if you want to join this group, feel free to send me a request, and I'm looking forward really connecting with you. And what happens, to get back to, so what happens is when you click on this, there are pop-up questions. They don't have to be there if the admin of that group did not set up any of those. What I, however, recommend is do that, because it will pre-qualify the people. You can see if they are in the industry, if they are interested in the niche, if they are interested in the topic of the group. You can make there some kind of rules. Do you agree with the rules, and actually give them what they need to agree with? Or are you interested in any specific concrete answers? So what you do is you click on this more button, click on edit group settings. You have all the settings of the group on this page, and almost at the bottom you have membership requests, and you can actually ask the questions. You can ask up to 3 questions. Okay, so when you click on the ask questions, there you are. Here are my questions that you will be answering, that I'm interested in to know, and you can choose any questions you want. You can have 1 or 2, 3, it depends, up to 250 characters. When you save it, you can edit it anytime. So you can, as I came to this settings right now, you can come up anytime you want and actually get those answered. When you want to see the answers of that, actually at the page when someone is requesting, you will see an announcement for you right here, so you don't miss it, that someone actually requested to join. Or it's here at the bottom of this description. At the bottom you have the requests as well. You can also go into moderate group, click on the member requests, and there will be your requests as well. And with each person, you will see how they answered the questions, and you can check out their profile, and if that is a person you actually want to let in the group. Don't send out, never send out requests and invites to people that did not ask for it. That's not how the groups should be built. use attraction marketing or really curiosity posts, or give them a reason the same way you are giving reasons for people to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Let's say why they should, what kind of information they will find there. Give them a reason to join your group, what kind of information they will find there. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. Use these effectively, use this to really pre-qualify people you can actually sell to. If you're using the group to sell some kind of product or service, it's production based. I actually do have those as well. I have group that I have for prospects. I have group that I have for customers. This is more general, really content-based, value-based group. So you can spread it, and depending on what type of group that is, choose your questions wisely, so you will know if just person is requesting to join, if that is the person you want to let in, so they cannot harm the culture and community that you have created in that group. Okay, so really hope this was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little notification bell button to get notified when the new videos are out, and I'm looking forward to talking to you next time.